Welcome back, children, to the second module. Now, before I talk about the hot weather season, one more point to add on to the cold weather season. Over the northern plains is the inflow of what is known as cyclonic disturbances from the west and the northwest. I hope you are willing to listen to me. I did tell you the names of the four seasons: hot weather season, cold weather season, advancing and retreating. Monsoons. Let's talk about the hot weather season. First point is, due to the apparent northward movement of the sun, the global heat belt also shifts towards the north. And that is the reason from the month of March to May we have hot weather season. You can see on the slide very simple points are mentioned. Like in the month of March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius in the Deccan Plateau. About the next month, that is the month of April, they are saying that in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, the temperature is about around 42 degrees Celsius. Clear? Then about the month of May, they are saying that in the northwestern part of the country, the temperature rises to 45 degrees Celsius. I hope it is clear. Then what about the peninsular India? You know that it is surrounded by water, so the temperature remains low due to the moderating influence of oceans. What we are discussing is about the hot weather season, the characteristics of hot weather season. You know that the temperature rises, so the pressure falls in the northern part of the country, or the pressure is low in the northern part of the country when the temperature rises. Clear? Now, by the end of May, what happens? An elongated low pressure area is being developed right from the Thar Desert to Patna and Chota Nagpur Plateau. And in that area, there is circulation of air around this low pressure trough. Another striking feature about the hot weather season is the word loo. This is a strong, gusty, hot, dry winds which are blowing during the day over the northern part of India and the northwestern part of India. You see the next feature, what they are saying is about the dust storms. This happens to be very common in the northern part of India in the month of May, and it brings relief for the people in northern part of India because the temperature is lowered. So the dust storms lowers the temperature. Children, this is also the season where you have localized thunderstorms along with violent winds and torrential downpours. Downpour means it rains, and that is often accompanied by hail. So, and in West Bengal, you know what is it known as? It is known as Kal Baishakhi. So, in West Bengal, the thunderstorms in which blows during the hot weather season is known as Kal Baishakhi. Then what happens when this summer season, hot weather season is going to wind up? We receive pre-monsoon showers, right, in the state of Kerala and Karnataka. This pre-monsoon showers, it helps in the early ripening of mangoes, which is often referred to as mango showers. Clear, children?